Hi everybody. Yes, I'm still alive. Sorry about not posting anything for the longest time. Yeah, I've been super busy. We're renovating the house, and if anybody's renovated before, you know that there's a lot of preparation before the actual renovations start. And so we've been running around like crazy, ordering this, getting people coming in, measuring, and it's been crazy. I had a few moments this weekend, and so I've been, well, it's not quite the weekend, but regardless, been working on this journal, digital kit. And it's not 100% finished, so it won't be in the stores when you're watching this video, but it will be in very soon. I'm hoping by tomorrow, which will be Saturday, December the 13th, I think. Anyway, this one is called Faded Floral. I did show a little bit of this kit before, and since then I've finished all 10 pages, and I've started on the Ephemera kit as well. I'm going to sell it as a full kit. So let's get started. This is the front cover, which I'm totally in love with. Yeah, and you can see why it's called Faded Floral. So it's very, very muted, soft, and very feminine. Okay, so every page, whoops, upside down. Sorry, guys. I keep forgetting. Every page has journal lines on it. So you can use it in anything you want, or you can make a full kit, like a full book with it, which is what I intend to do. I love it. It's two colors. There's pink and yellow. That's it. So it's really, really soft. The yellow appeals to me greatly. The pink, But for those of you who like pink, I've included pink. So there you are. It's a little grungy, but like I say, it's very muted. And of course, lots of roses. This one I love. It just reminds me of, the old-fashioned stationery, that you'd see. That's what this reminds me of. This is another of my favorite ones. This one I changed a little. I haven't printed it again, but it doesn't have the green in the background. I changed it somewhat. It still has sort of a scruffy background, but it's lighter. You'll like it better. Same with this one. Too dark, so I went a little bit lighter on it. Looks way better. I just forgot to print them. Yeah, this one has a bunch of different postage in the background. I love this one. Super pretty. And yes, I know it's pink, but it's pretty. Okay, so here we go with some of the ephemera. So I've done several tags. There's 3 pink, 3 yellow. And these are the very large tags. So you get 2 sheets. And then there's, these are booklets, but I made them bigger. I like the size better. So if you're doing half, they're about 3 when they're folded, 3 by just over 4.5, and they're just nicer size, and you can actually really write in them. And I don't know if you can see that. It's quite faint right here. Whoops. It says notes. I don't know if that shows in the camera, but I added that to some of them. I don't think I did it to all of them. This one has, oh yeah, all 4 of them have that. This one doesn't. So it can be used as, you can, print that out on cardstock if you want. But that one does. And then these are the medium-sized tags. So again, there's 6 of these, 3 yellow, 3 pink. And then the small tags, 3 yellow, 3 pink. So there's a lot of tags in this. And then this is, I know it's kind of wacky, right? Because that's actually the envelope. But when I sew it into my journal, I actually want to see things right side up. I don't know, it's just the thing I have, right? So I decided, okay, let's do something different. Do the envelope this way. However, for those of you who like to print out envelopes, perhaps to mail or add in a parcel, or you can print out several of them and make up your own little, what's the word I'm looking for? Stationery gift. You know, like did 10 envelopes. I mean, yeah, it's a little cutting, but, you know, gifts are worth it for that. You know, you put a lot of yourself into it, in my opinion. So I created a smaller version. So you can put a note card in there. This is 5.5 by 3.5. So easily you get a nice size. I wonder if I have a note card I can show you. Let's see. Yes, I have one. This might be too big. You can get them different sizes. Yeah, this is too big. But you can get smaller ones or make your own. I plan on making my own. But I wanted to show you what it looks like when it's done. So I designed it so that the image is on this side so you can put a stamp on it and actually mail it. And then it's so pretty on this side when they go to open it, right? And I don't know if you've ever heard of the lick and stick, or stick and lick, or hang on, let me find it. Yeah, it's, come here, you. Ooh. It's called lick and stick. And this is what I use on my envelopes rather than double-sided tape, because you know, you go to open that envelope and it's totally wrecked. This is, you just remoisten it. So you dab it along the edge and it'll dry. How does that work? Let dry and then moisten when you're ready to use it. So you can do up a whole bunch of envelopes and put this glue on it, let it dry, and then when somebody wants to, you know, use it to mail, you can just wet it and then seal it. I got that here in Canada. It's made in the US though, so you guys should have it in the US. And it's lick and stick. Big puppy on the front. Anyway, works good. I've used it several times. So that's the kit. It's not finished. Like I say, I'll be adding other things. Likely there'll be, I don't know. I have to go through my templates and see if there's something specific you want before I get designing more. Leave a comment, and because I read every single comment and I respond to every single comment. So you're guaranteed to have me read it. And like I say, I'm not going to finish it till this weekend. I'm thinking Saturday, might be pushing it. Shoot for Sunday. Yeah, Sunday I should be able to get it in the store by then. Anyway, I hope you like it. I'd love to hear what you think. So, sorry for not talking to you guys for quite a while. And yes, I know, I still haven't finished that journal, you know. I finished all the signatures and started on the cover. But I'm designing a different cover, one I haven't done before, so I'm taking my time at it because I don't want to mess it up. Yeah, I've never done it this way before. It's not going to have a hitch post closure. Just, that's a little, you know, a little sneak there, but I'm not showing you. You'll have to be surprised. So, we'll talk soon, and thanks for watching. Bye.